Eva manages a warehouse and is a grocery supplier in Croydon, London. She is always stressed. Keeping her inventory and tracking her stock is a nightmare and takes days of work. Using the SKIVIMS Inventory application makes life easier. On a new or existing Google Sheet, navigate to the marketplace and install SKIVIMS Inventory. After installation, navigate to Download Templates. This should take you to the app homepage. On the homepage, select the Google Sheet template. Make your own copy of the template. Navigate to File, and then to Make a Copy. It is best practice to give your sheet a recognizable name. In your own copy of the Google Sheet, navigate to Tools, Manage Form, and then to Edit Form, which should give you your own copy of the Google form bound to this sheet. Again, assign a name of your choice to your form. The form has a Products, Passkey, Input-Output, and Submission Notes questions. Edit the products question to the actual items of your stock. You can include as many products as you wish. In your Google Sheets, in order to set up and get it activated, select and run the Reset menu. This will clear all irrelevant data and keep only relevant data as well as activate your sheet. Make sure you run the Reset only on your copy of the template. In your password sheet, change the names to the actual names of your inventory managers and assign them passwords which you would communicate to them individually and privately. Note that you can assign as many people as you wish. Eva has only 2 employees, Evans and James, aside herself. Take note of the passwords assigned to these 3 individuals on the spreadsheet. In your Google form, replace the passwords in the regular expression with the actual passwords that you just assigned in the Google Sheets. Take note of the exactness. Ensure that you read the How to Use instructions. In point 6, you should find clear instructions on how to set the passwords in the regular expression of the Google Forms Passkey question. It is important to set it well so that you can appropriately track who makes what changes to your inventory. With this set up, Eva can now update her system with her total stock. The spreadsheet is only updated using the Google form. Take note of how it is done. She selects the item, indicates her assigned password. Without the correct passkey, she will not be able to fill out the form. She then indicates the quantity and includes any submission notes of her choice. While this is done, take note of how her name is populated on the response sheet based on her password. The stock sheet is also updated with the total count of the particular product. Before Eva's employees uses her inventory, she can set an email notification by navigating to Set Email, where she can specify an email to receive notifications anytime an inventory change is made. This gives her the chance to know exactly how her goods are doing in real time without logging onto the spreadsheet. She can also get the embed link of the response and stock sheet, which she can embed on a site to get easy access to her stock without logging onto the spreadsheet. While James is on supply, after making a supply to a shop, he can easily update the inventory on his mobile phone. With the forms link, he can specify the item. Indicate his assigned password. Indicate the amount of items sold out. Note that because he is selling out, the amount is preceded with a negative sign. He can then include any submission notes which can give any details about the supply made, and can even include the mobile number of the customer. When James submits the form, the spreadsheet is updated, showing he sold 105 staplers, his name is updated, and the stock sheet now has only 15 staplers since 105 has been subtracted from 120. With no analytics, at every time, your stock sheet reflects your total stock. This makes auditing very easy. At the same time, Eva gets an email notification in her inbox, giving her real-time feedback when her stock changes without logging onto the spreadsheet with a laptop. Finally, Eva has a smile on her face. SKIVIMS Inventory makes inventory management seamless. You run a supply business or control stock? Let SKIVIMS put smiles on your face.